What's going on, guys? Doing it live here this morning. Getting ready. It's Monday morning. Already in a short right now on JMEI. So we'll see how this one turns out. Get some music going. What's up, what's up, what's up? Morning, 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 everybody. Popping in there. I like it, I like it. Well, you can see I'm short right now on JMEI already. Might be a bad idea, we'll see.
Buy one, take one is back, starting at $12.99 at Olive Garden.
Trying to find some music here. What's good? What's good? Already trading. That's the word. What was your entry? I got in here at what? First 389. So I actually went long earlier. Had this spike up here to 398. Didn't get filled. Didn't get filled till 390. So I had like a small profit already on JMEI long. See if we get this crack here. Trying to get this crack. We're right at the view app right now, so looking to see if we can get a crack here at 380. Might be stubborn there. Give it a second here. Reason that I shorted JMEI, it just had a big, huge seller sitting there at the $3.98, $4 area. Did not want to. I am short here, JMEI here at 388. Didn't want to get above that $4 area. Only 500 shares, so playing it safe. If this wants to get back up above that 385 area, I'll probably just cover, break even. Wait for open and reshort it again. Not a lot of stocks really this morning looking that hot overall, to be honest. Looks like I need to cover here on JMEI 380 area, holding it up. It does. It needs more volume. Thought we might see a little sell-off that back down to this 370 area if we broke through the VWAP. But been some people sitting there buying right below the VWAP. I'm gonna get out of it for now. I'll come back and short it later at open. You can see basically my P&L this morning already. Nothing special, kind of just break even on both of those trades. You can see I got in long here on this candle. Had this spike up here to 398. Kind of got greedy. Thought we might break above $4 there. And then it pulled back pretty hard. Ended up getting out here on 390. Had another spike to 396. Was waiting. Probably should have shorted it on this candle, but that's what it is. So we'll see at open if we can get a crack. If this wants to go above $4, could be a good entry long on this JMEI. I don't know. It's been moving pretty big the last couple of days. You can see on Friday it went from 280 here up to 370. So I think we can get a nice move. I think we can get a nice sell-off, if anything. Get a nice sell-off here on JMEI from that 380 area down to this 350 support area. So that's kind of the game plan. Exactly. First red day on JMEI. How did I find JMEI? It was actually on stockmarketwatch.com as a winner this morning. So you can see this morning a couple different stocks gapping up. JMEI, the biggest gapper this morning. So nothing really that crazy. You know, 10% gapper, not a big deal. INFY kind of on that loser side again, but this one kind of screwed me on Friday. But overall, nothing looking that crazy. Not a lot of volume overall. You can see there's not much going on. So we might have to wait till open to see if it's a good opportunity. The ECN fees on Short Trader are like $1.50 per, I think 500 shares basically. Or maybe less. Like $1 maybe. I'll have to look later. FCAU, someone's talking about it. Old Fiat Chrysler. What do you think? Think it's shorted? Short Fiat at open, huh? Maybe. Picking my ear there on the live feed. We'll keep it on the watch list for sure. FCAU here. Possibly going short below that like $13 area. Right below the VWAP there. Are you thinking long? Oh, okay. Keep an eye on it either way. INFY coming down here. $396 support. Looking like it's holding for now. FALC. If you got any ideas for stocks, let me know. We'll take a look at them. We can all figure out what stock is hot today. WUBA, here goes INFY, kind of pulling down here. I'm going to wait till open either way here. FENG, doing a little pop there. Keep that one on watch for sure. Yeah, okay. Nice looking out there, Ed. Old FCUA with the pump on the idea of getting bought out there. SDLP. Nothing really going on yet. We'll watch it open there. INFY bouncing back up there to $14 area. Over $14 now. I did not know that, HR. Where's that at? Top list. Oh, that's pretty cool. Just click, click. There it is. Nice. Looking out. People always looking out. HMNY, people talking about that. Oh, now it's gonna mess up my thingy. HMNY, no shares to short this one. JMEI, doing a little bit of a squeeze up there to the 390 area. Had a couple trades on it so far this morning. If you're just now joining, had a long opportunity here. Got the spike up to the $4 area. So probably gonna watch to see what happens at open. If we get this break above $4, might go long, get a break. If we get stuck at $4 again, might go short there at open. So kind of watching JMEI here at the $4 area. Kind of get a $4 on here. $4, and then kind of watching 380 support. Been holding all morning, so those are the things to watch for now. JMEI, if you're gonna be watching that one. HTZ. What's up with the HTZ this morning? No shares are short. I don't know what is up with this. Some days there's shares are short, some days are not. Only the days that it's gonna be red is the days you can't short it for me. What's up, Jesse? Ready to make some money. That's the plan. That is always the plan. Is the snap run over? I think so. Snap's run has been over for a long time. Before it even started, the run was over. Nice little bounce though, off $11 up to the $14. I would not trust this one. Looks like it's doing a little something there. Slow day overall, probably looking like that. Couple people pointed out last night, if you guys missed out on the Q&A, there's some really good retail stocks this week that are reporting earnings. Got American Eagle Outfitters. DSW is definitely one to keep an eye on. DSW could be a good short. See how bad the shoe sales are. I think there's a bunch of small retail companies this week to keep an eye on to go short. I got a list somewhere here. There we go. I got a list there. So we got DSW on the list, got Kirkland, got AEO, got Express, got Tilly's, got A&F, got Perry to watch. So these are some good retail stocks to watch this week for retail earnings. Probably going to be shorting all these once the earnings come out. Maybe shorting some before. I might try to grab a couple shares before earnings report, just a little gamble on those. But I got a good feeling that a lot of these are going to be selling off there. I don't see a reason why any of these would be bouncing that big. So yeah, overall, just kind of a slow morning. Not much popping up, not much moving around. JMEI really is the only thing that is moving this morning. Overall, kind of in terms of what's gapping up, and then the gap downs are not much gapping down overall either. So, oh, Francesca's. Oh, I love this one. This is a real crappy retail stock that's gapping down here. Keep an eye on this one, FRAN. Gapping down there. I don't know why. I need to figure out why it's gapping down. I pay $104 a month for SureTrader Pro, if you ask that question. All right, we got about 15 minutes here, kind of watching some stocks. FRAN doing a dollar gap down, basically gapping down from $8 down to $7 there this morning. Not sure why. Need to figure that out. Anybody got an idea why Fran's dropping down there? Ah, CMO's gone. Okay. I don't know. Is losing a CMO a big enough deal for us to really crash much further down? What do you guys think? You can see overall FRAN just a nasty chart right now from the $19 area down there to $7 now. So if you just shorted this at the $19 area and just rode it on down there, beautiful short. So keep an eye on FRAN there. Possibly to go short here at open. I don't see this really doing much other than going down. Maybe a little bit of a pop at open and then shorting there. So could be a good one. WUBA. Not too sure what to do about this company. Gapped up on earnings this morning, kind of moving around there. Probably wouldn't mess with it. Just the idea that it could go either way at this point. FALC here. Little penny stock doing move today, up 33% right now. keep an eye on this one for later. See if it wants to do something crazy. Look at that move from 26 there up to 34 now. So I guess it's doing something crazy. So we'll see. What's the deal with FALC? The music is just some free stuff on YouTube. It's just playing some copyright free stuff for the feed here. No news on FALC? Anybody know? Doesn't look like it. Oh, there's the news. FALC announces key executive leadership appointments. So they've got some new appointments. Got a new CEO, new CFO. So that's the news on FALC right now. So we got people leaving Fran, got people joining FALC. I don't really know if that's enough to warrant a huge move here. Fran going down there. Look at that. Dropping below $7. Ouch. I'm just going to wait till open, really, to do anything on this, but I don't know now. We got a nice gap there. Nice 40 cent spread there on the bid and ask there on FRAN. You can see this morning gapping down there from the $8 area down there to $7 now. So I'm not really sure. Don't want to chase this one. Definitely don't want to just short it here and get squeezed for 40 cents instantly. So keep this one on watch. FRAN at open. You can see really there's no support nearby, so we're looking for a drop here. Yeah, FALC. I don't think I have any shares of shorted there. Got a couple shares of shorted actually, so keep an eye on FALC. Possibly going short, possibly going long. FRAN, more bad news. Looks like not just news on the CMO leaving, but also decline in sales. So 3% decline in sales, 12% decline in stock price. Ouch. All Herbalife, HLF. Jumping around. The idea, I think, on Herbalife is that they're trying to possibly going back private, doing some buybacks and maybe making the move back to private, taking the company back private. FRAN. I think this one might be the easy short of the day. Wait for the open pop. Look for that open pop and then short it into that and ride it on lower all day long. It's Monday, so I like to get a nice little slow bleeder today. Would be nice. CTRV getting FDA approval. Somebody's talking about that. What kind of FDA approval? Orphan drug FDA approval or real drug FDA approval? Got to be careful sometimes with that, with the wording on those FDA approvals. Foot Locker, how's it looking? Foot Locker might do a bounce today. Who knows? It might keep bleeding. It might do a bounce. It's down like 30%. So FALC coming down here from that 35 cent area down there to 33 already. Everybody's unloading here. JMEI, kind of watching this one at open. The plan is to possibly short it there at the $4 area. See if there's any weakness there at open. JMEI could be a good one. And the kind of FRAN. Watching those two stocks. Probably out here at open. Martin is with me. Let's do it, Martin. You short it, I'll short it, we'll all short it. It's got to go down, right? If we all just short it a couple times. Elevator music. You like the elevator music? Sorry, it's hard to find good music that's copyright free. If I don't use the copyright free stuff, they don't like me. What's up, Dean? It's Monday morning, man. Let's make some money. That's the plan. That's what's up with me. I think this week's gonna be just a clean week of shorting some retail earnings. Got a lot of earnings this week for the retail. Not anything really today, but the rest of the week, every single morning, there's a couple good earnings that are coming out on a couple different stocks. I showed it earlier here. Let me see if I can pull it up again. Keep these stocks on watch. We got DSW tomorrow morning reporting. Kirkland reporting tomorrow morning. Going to be another one to short. AEO for Wednesday. Got Express for Wednesday. Tilly's for Wednesday. So we got some good ones to short here. Watching these. Keep a little list on these stocks right here. These going to be good ones to short. CTRV patent approval, not FDA approval. So that's a little different. FRA doing the pop. There, look at that. Nice little 20-cent pop there. That's nice. That's what we need. Need a little pop here. And then we'll short it once we get some resistance. Yeah, CTRV, no shares are short, so. FENG. I don't know about FENG, honestly. I shorted it a couple times on Friday, and the thing did not want to go anywhere. It was a real pain in the ass, so it just kind of stuck there. Maybe FENG below this 430 area. If we get below 430 here on FENG, definitely see some nice selling. But literally, I shorted it here a couple times, and it just came down and bounced, came down, bounced. Did it like 3 or 4 times. Just kept bouncing off that 450 area on Friday. Real pain in the ass. Momo is going to be big tomorrow. Yeah, I think it'll be pretty big tomorrow. FALC. Yeah, we talked about FALC. Yeah, JMEI. So, like I said, we're looking for this one to go above $4 for a possible long entry. If it can't go above $4, looking to short it there. So, that's kind of the game plan with that one at JMEI. If it wants to get stuck there at $4 again. Earlier, it got stuck there at $4. You can see overall this morning getting up there to 398, getting stuck, coming down, kind of bouncing this 380 area. So that's kind of the range right now, pre-market. We'll see if we get a breakout of this range, the $4 area or the 380 break. OPXAW, what is that? Warrants on OPXA. Yeah, it's just the warrants on Apexa. I really want to mess with that one. FENG doing a bit of up and down here pre-market. Kind of watching that 440 area. Maybe it's going to get a breakout above this 480 area. FENG did a nice move on Friday. Moved up from 375 up there to 480. Had a bit of a squeeze, you can see there. Just a total squeeze. On this candle alone, it went from 387 up there to 415. So why don't I trade cryptos? I don't know. I haven't really. This is like another thing I got to worry about. If I'm going to worry about stocks, I got to worry about cryptos. And I ain't got time for all that. I got things to do. I got a life to live. FALC bouncing off that 31 area. So FRAN here, not doing much. So I had a little squeeze up to that 720 area, but I think it's just because there's not much volume. BW short opportunity. Oh, where's it at now? $2? No. BW's really been beat down. Look at this stock. It's down from like $10. So, well, down from like $17 in February. don't really know if, I don't know how much further it can go really. Maybe it goes a little bit lower, but I don't know. You can see big gap down, big move lower, and then the candles start getting smaller and smaller, kind of getting slower and slower. FENG pulling back here. So many stocks to watch, so many stocks to watch, so little time here this morning. Not really though. FL, Friday, big sell-off, 30% drop there on Foot Locker. Bought some new shoes this weekend from Foot Locker from some of the money that I made off of the short here on Foot Locker. Always good to give back to the companies that you know, pay the bills. RADA, I think I was looking at this one earlier actually for a short. RADA gapping down there. Oh, I got a little stretch here, boys. It's been a morning so far already. It's already 5 minutes till market open here. Seeing what happens. Got so many charts to look at. It's like, it looks like the Matrix over here. Somebody walked in, they saw me right now. They think I was Morpheus from the Matrix, looking at all these charts. Hey, first day of college, getting that grind on. Nice, nice. Gotta get over these 300 watchers before market open here. Let's do it. Don't leave now. Stay tuned. We got 5 minutes till market open. We're gonna get some big movers here. All right, RADA could be a possible short. Dean's got things to do, people to see. Gotta make that money. Let's do it. Do you love blue? No, I don't know. I bought the stupid chair, and then I bought the things behind me, and it all just kind of matched. Well, I kind of planned it a little bit, but the blue definitely makes me look a little bit sexier. If I put the green on, you can see I get some kind of weird look going on. So we'll stick with the blue for now. Whoa, broke it. Oh shit. Are you serious? Ah, broke. Wrong one, I think, actually. There we go. Now we're back. Oh no, red day. No reds, no reds, no reds. Why do so many successful traders moving to shorting instead of long after some time trading the market? Because I think a lot of people just learn that it's easier to be bear than to be a bull. Because I don't know why, but it's just the market overall. When you're a trader, a lot of these stocks they're gonna come down. A lot of these stocks that run up big, there's a good chance they're gonna come down at some point. A lot better chance actually. And it's just easier to short them when after they run up big than to sit there and then to not. All right, let's get a good game plan here. So JMEI, that's the game plan. Do I sell on Amazon? No. I actually just buy stuff on Amazon. I should probably start selling stuff on Amazon instead of just buying stuff all day. Nope, no Amazon selling here for me. How much percent of my income is from day trading? I don't know, 20, 30%. I don't know, it really depends, I guess. Depends on the day. Worried about the overall market? I don't really care about the overall market. I got a couple of longs that I've got like insane entries on, so I'm not really worried. If you get a little bit of pullback, maybe grab some more shares. So JMEI is kind of on watch right now for a possible short here at open. I'd like to see a move higher here. Gonna kind of watch to see if we can get above $4. If we get above $4, it could be a possible long. So that's kind of the game plan. It could be a long, could be a short. We're just watching here. So if we get the break here of 381, looking for that move back to the 350s. Got this 372 support, but oh, there it goes. And then FRAN, another one to keep an eye on. JMEI right now, kind of bouncing here. Might want to crash. I do like FRAN just for the sheer fact that it's just going to get demolished probably. Got about 30 seconds here till what? Got about a minute till market open here. Let's do it. FRAN looking for a bit of a bounce. JMEI has an 88 million float. It doesn't really bother me as long as it's trading. If it's got the volume, it's trading. So I'm going to keep an eye on FRAN here. $30 seconds till market open here. JMEI. Look at that big seller there at 379 trying to crash this one down. So keeping an eye on FRAN. A couple other stocks to keep an eye on this morning. Looking for some resistance here to pop up. Wow, FRAN getting killed here. Below that $7, looking for a crack here. FRAN holding this $7 area for now. Oh, short sale restriction. What? When did that pop up? Now I can't get filled. Oh, that really kills me. Can't get filled here on FRAN at all. Fail. JMEI. What's up with JMEI? Look at that move on JMEI there at open. Dropping through that 380 area down there to 366 now. FL, wow, look at that drop. Are you kidding me? What? Wow. Got a dollar move there on FL at open from 34.05 down there to 33. Bam. All within that 1 minute candle there. Ouch. FL getting killed there. ARCI, somebody calling out a huge move here. ARCI jumping up there from 90 cents up to $1.20, up 86% right now. Finally getting some fill there on FRAN. Not a bad time here. Yeah, got the soothing music. FRAN getting filled there, now getting squeezed here. Gonna see if we can't. Beautiful. Pretty much shorted right there at the bottom there on that candle. So I'm gonna give us time above $7. Gonna get out of this. See if I can get some more shares there on FRAN here at 694. I'm shorting FRAN right now. Might be getting squeezed out of this one. JMEI above $4. Look at that move there from, woo, above $4. Like I was talking about, that was kind of the entry here long, if looking for that break of $4 there. ARCI crashing there. Looking for FRAN to come back down here. FRAN getting some selling here, 680 area. So back in the green now there on FRAN for now. See if we get this break through this 75 area. Get a bit of a drop here on FRAN finally. Getting back in the green there. Looking for this move lower here. Doesn't want to go. I'm missing out on a lot of better opportunities here playing with this stupid stock.
So while we might like to think that a time machine will open up the past, that's not strictly true. It's only in the future that time travel to the past is possible. And then, only as far back as the moment the first time machine was activated. But of course, this begs the question, what happened when you first switched on the machine?
There you go. Nice work, Jesse. Wow, it's been such a fail day. FRAN, just not doing it for me.
So while we might like to think that a time machine will open up the past,
I picked the wrong stock. I know. I know. I did it wrong. Classic. Everybody else is making money on JMEI. I'm over here playing around with FRAN.
It's almost time. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
So now I got 2,000 shares here of FRAN. I think this is going to go lower at some point here. Maybe. Maybe not. $6.95 here on Fran. Give it one more second. We're double down. We're double down over here. Getting out of FRA in there. Wow. Ouch.
It's almost time. 10 seconds. 9,
JMEI below $4.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
CNIT. Looking at this move. Blowing it up this morning, guys. Down almost $400 there on FRN. Just being totally stubborn and retarded. I was back in the green at one point. Could have cut my loss or basically break even. Really blowing it. JMEI jumping up there from 372 up there to 420. AVEO jumping up here. FL. Oh, that's not good. Need to close. Don't do that to me. You gotta relog in. Oh, man. Got a little error there on Dash Trader now. VIPS coming down here. That open from that 988 area. Express getting killed here. ARCI above $1.25. I like it. SPWH getting killed there. I'm using Crossover to run Dash Trader Pro on the MacBook, if you're wondering. FRA in. Back above that $7 area, but having some trouble there. JMEI. Getting 1,000 there at $3.95. We'll double down again at $4 if it gets up there. JMEI selling off here. Looking to add to this short. There's a lot of support. JMEI getting some support there. See how it acts around the $4 area. See if we can't break this 392 support. They like trying to sell into it. Stops about $4 right now. Kind of watching that 399 resistance. JMEI trying to break here. See if we get this break of 390 here, or not. Gonna cover. VIPS heading lower over there. Tuh. There we go. VIPS selling off here. I mean, not VIPS. JMEI selling off here. And give it a little bit of time. Big seller there on JMEI popping up there at 391. See if it's gonna kick in or gonna get bought up. Look, that's holding down for now. Looking for this crack of 388 here. There we go. Give me $100. Give me $100. Let's do it. And covering there for $100 on JMEI there at 384. Moving on to the next one. I think that one's done for now. 383 now. What's up with Explorer? I saw somebody talking about it. So ended up making $100 there on JMEI short. Still down on the day overall, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna get back on the green. That's the goal. XPLR halted here. When's this reopen? Anybody know? How do you show your trades on the chart? You can do it right here. You click on study configuration, go into price candle, boom, show trades right there. Real quick, real easy. FENG jumped up there to that 478 area, kind of holding here. I don't like FENG unless it's below 450. Wow, XPLR jumping up there, getting halted once again. Is it halted? I think so. Halted, jumping up from 380 up there to 410. XPLR jumping up big there. From that 320 area up there to 410 now. CRME free fall. I like the sound of that. What we got? CRME crashing down here. Not a lot of volume really on this one though. FCX jumping up there 4% right now. FRAN back down to my entry there. Pain in the ass. Should have shorted here below $7 again. FRAN down below my average. I was averaged at like 687, I think. Down there to 678 now. Should just held this one. ARCI above $1.25. Could be a good entry. $1.26. Keep an eye on this one. RENN jumping up there. Up 6% on the day from that 842 area up there to 880 now. VIPS just selling off here, not really finding any kind of support there. RADA, same thing. I'm gonna take a stab here at VIPS. Why not, you know? Getting in there at 947. See if this 948 holds. Cover for a small loss here if it wants to break over this 948 area. On VIPS, you can see overall in the day just heading lower and lower. Did ACRI go higher? Let me see. Yeah, I think it did. ARCI jumping up there from over $1.25 up there to $1.35. So nice little move there. So just playing in here with VIPS for now. See if we can get this break below 944 here. There we go. 943 now. Just selling slowly here. Looking for this break of 942 here on VIPS. There we go. 50 bucks right now on VIPS. Probably going to cover. Just take that profit, lock it in. See what it does here. Getting a bit of a bounce there on VIPS now. Give a little bit more time here. There we go. Look at that. Big buyer there at 940. I'm going to get out there at 941. So Grabbing 60 bucks there. Not bad. In and out. Easy. Easy one. I love those easy ones. See my profit there. Big buyer there at 940 there on VIPS. Reason that I covered there. You can see my profit. Making 60 bucks there on VIPS. Getting back into the green here. Working on it. Slow and surely. JMEI. Crashing down through there. So I covered my short from earlier there at 395. Covered there at 385. Got a 10-cent move. Jumped back up there to 394. Now it's down there to 376. Yep, about 108, down about 180 bucks today. We'll make it back. We're gonna get it. So JMEI definitely kind of got some support in this 370 area. So watching that one, maybe below this 360. FENG popping up. Is that the word? FENG popping up there to 470. This is exactly what it did the other day. You know, I had this pop there at open, a little bit of a sell-off. I think somebody else talked about how it sold off there at open. And then boom, squeeze higher, dropped, squeezing, and it's kind of doing this. We'll see what happens later on. ARCI over that $1.26 area up there to $1.35. You said you'll give some time and wiggle room to trade, and you made the same mistake. What same mistake? Did not short Tiva. Wow, look at that. VIPS breaking through that 940 area. I thought that big buyer there would at least hold up for a little bit. There it is, down there to 933 now. Wow. Wow. Should have gave VIPS a little bit more time there. It would be up another move there. FRAN coming down here. Short stale restriction, don't like it. VIPS just going lower. Probably look to short into the next pop here on VIPS. What's the VIX doing? Looks like got an overall market sell-off here. VIPS just going lower, just not finding any support here. Wow. Covered way too early. 10 cents early on that one. ARCI. XPLR, look at that. Nice little drop there from that $4 area down there to 360. JMEI just coming down here as well. See if we get a pop here back up to that 380 area, maybe 378 here on JMEI to go short. Nice work, Surge, 395, 374. Beautiful trade there on JMEI. ARCI, back up there to that $1.33 area right now. Looking for it wants to go to a new high of day here at $1.35. If you're watching it, pull it up right here. You can see ARCI bouncing that $1.18 area up there to $1.34 twice now. No shares of short. And look at this move higher. It's up 116% right now. Pretty wild move here. You can see gapping up from that 60-cent area up there to $1.32 now. ARCI going higher. Looking for this break above $1.35 resistance there. But overall, pretty decent trend here. Moving higher, holding that dollar area, moving higher. Ding, 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 ding. Higher, higher, higher. So watching that JMEI doing the bounce that I was looking for. So we'll see if we get some resistance here at the 380 80 area. Why don't they halt ACRI? Well, I think because it's just moving slowly. Going short there on JMEI there at 376. Getting some resistance there at that 378 area. Beautiful. Looking for this move below 370 area. ARCI did come out of nowhere. Yeah. We talked about it first here, though. We were talking about it all morning. Well, ever since it popped up there. Looking for this break of 372 on JMEI for a move lower. If it doesn't happen, I'm going to cover here. Getting some support there at the 373 area for now. Big support stepping up there. Come on. JMEI getting some support there at the 372 area for now. 375 buyer stepping up there. Might need to cover here if we get above this EMA there. Getting out of there on JMEI for now. Doing a bit of a squeeze here up to that 382 area. RADI, VIPS, bounce off this 930 area. Be careful with FENG. It's just a pain in the ass. You see it dip below 450 there, down to 449, then squeezed higher. So make sure it's going to really sell off before you short it. VIPS doing a bit of a bounce here. FRAN down there to that 978 area. JMEI doing a bounce here. See how it acts there at the VWAP 394 area. BIPS with the squeeze back up to that 950 area. Breaking over that 948 resistance that I shorted into earlier. ARCI jump up there to $1.40. No shares are shorted here. It's coming down.
This is the official B Grounds mixtape.
You are listening to B Grounds.
No shares are short ARCI.
Picture a man of nearly 30, who seems twice as old, with clothes torn and dirty. Give him a job shining shoes or cleaning out toys in bus stations.
Give him 6 children with nothing to eat. Expose them to life on the ghetto street. Tie an old rag around his wife's head. Have her pregnant and lying in bed.
Stuff them all in a Harlem house, and then tell them how bad they tried out.
Some support on that. Some support jumping up there. 378 on JMEI. A lot of support. Look at that. Really bouncing there. JMEI trying to go higher here. See how it acts there to the 392 area. Debt Sub, if you want to put the entries and exits on your candles right there, boom. Go into study configuration, click your price candle, bam. JMEI up there to that. I should start hesitating more before I take an entry, probably.
Picture a man of nearly 30, who seems twice as old, with clothes torn and dirty. Give him a job shining shoes or cleaning out toys.
What am I thinking? I don't really know. A lot of different opportunities out there. I'd like to get an RS7, honestly, but the insurance is just like really expensive. I don't know if it's worth it or not. JMEI, what's it gonna do here? We're gonna find resistance. We're gonna go lower. We're gonna go higher. Got the dojis here on the 1 minute candle. Looking at the 5 minute chart. Got that high there at 394. Brand new. They're like 140,000. INFY doing the bounce here. Get a Tesla. I actually, there's a Tesla like charging station right by my damn house, but so I don't really want to deal with all that. Just put gas in it and drive it. That's my kind of goal. Nice work on UVXY. Getting a big move in the VIX here. XPLR jumping up there, coming back down. Kind of thinking about shorting Express here. Just for the idea of going lower and lower as the day goes on here. The best board on Stock Twist is definitely the DRYS dry stock. Everyone just loves to talk about how that stock's gonna go higher and higher. Just because it went up to 1,000 one time on a squeeze does not mean it's gonna happen again, guys. JMEI coming back down here. Finding some support there at the 380 area. Well, not to 1,000, but up to it was up 1,000% or whatever it was. Just screwed myself there. Did not mean to get filled there on JMEI. Just clicking the wrong button there. Doi. So watching JMEI, I got 2,000 shares short there. Not where I wanted to get it short at. Fat fingered it there. See how we act at this EMA here. Looking for a move lower. Huh. Story of my life, hung. Looking for this break of 377 here on JMEI. Back down to that 370 area would be nice. Put me back in the green on the day. Holding it right there at the 380 area. Getting the doji there on the 1 minute. JMEI fighting it here. Looking for this break. 378, 377 area. There we go. Come on. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get that crack. 377 crack here. There we go. Come on. 375 needs to crack. I got 2,000 shares there. I'm gonna scale out. Well, not on my montage. You're saying on my montage. You're right. Good point there. Good point. Took half there at 375. Let the rest ride down here to 370 or lower. I don't even want to look at FRAN. Getting some support there on JMEI now. 375 acting as support for now. HZNP. What's up with HZNP here? AEO. Yeah, I'm checking out AEO actually for some opportunity this week. Got an earnings coming out. Should be pretty bad overall with the retail stocks. Is that real, DGLT? Is that a real press release? Confirmed, or is that just stock twits? JMEI trying to bounce here. Should just covered all of it. Great song. Can you guys hear that music? Do I trade UVXY? Yeah, I'll trade UVXY on a big sell-off day. There we go. Come on, JMEI. Let's go. Mr. DJ. Oh, man. All right, so we're back down here, 373 on JMEI. Looking for this move lower here. I'd like to see 370 break. It'd be nice. 373 holding here on JMEI. Not wanting to break. RTNB jumping up there. I'm going to go look at that one. Above $1.31 here. Looking at RTNB here above $1.30. Oh, not getting filled. Are you kidding me? Wow. Just going for a quick move over that $1.30. Jumping up there to $1.40, $1.37, $1.38 now. Classic. RTNB jumping up there. JME holding that 375 area for now. RTNB right through that 330, right through that $1.30 area. Just didn't even give me time to fill. I was trying to get filled there at $1.31. Couldn't get filled there. Up to $1.44 now. The red to green move here on RTNB going higher. Look for that break of $1.50 here. Possibly get in before the halt if we're gonna get it. Getting the pullback there on RTNB. Kind of watching it for his $1.50 area. Nice work, Jack and Tin. Getting that fill there, $1.20. $1.41 fill. Killing it. I have not got filled once on this stock in the last 2 days. Need to spread my my bid a little bit. Who was... Oh. All right. Got 30 minutes left here. I'm going to be done at 11 o'clock if we can't make something happen here. Overall on the day, still in the red. Not by much, but overall not where I want to be. Losing that almost $400 there on FRAN. I'm up $179 shorting JMEI here. So looking for that move here somewhere on. Just need one more stock. What is a blue bar? I'm not actually sure. I think it's the when there's a lot of buying and selling in between the bid, kind of indecision there. Get that doji there when the stock doesn't really move. Here we're going for that move above $1.50 here on RTNB. Definitely not going to end the day down 5K. I can guarantee that. JMEI. Boom. Nice work. Ouch. Should have held on to that one. You told me, Clay. I'll give it to you. You told me. You told me. You got it. You got the call there. JMEI down there to 362 now. Ouch. 360. Going lower here. No, I'm not down 5K. VIPS kind of bouncing there. RTNB ran up over that $1.50 area now, up to $1.55. I am not down 5K. I'm saying I'm gonna make sure. There's no way I'll be down 5K today. Is what I was. That was what I was saying. I'm not down 5K. You can see my P&L here. Not down 5K. Not that bad. Any advice for RTNB? Well, the move was, I was looking for that move above $1.50 higher, but had a bit of a pullback there. No shares of short RTNB here. I think as long as we keep this trend going, to see a move higher and higher here in RTNB till the party's over. JMEI, look at it just going lower down there to 355 now. Wow. Nice work if you shorted this one earlier and still holding it. Ouch. RTNB back above $1.50 here. CRME. Short sale restriction. RTNB, boom, big crash there. We're getting rejected there to $1.50, pulling down there to $1.33. Why short JMEI? It's up on the day, but it's really up on no news. There's not really any big catalyst for it. And you can see, had a bit of a squeeze here at open, but got denied a couple times there and just been selling off, cracking through the VWAP and heading lower there. Nice work on JMEI if you shorted that one from earlier and got out there, the 350s. Nice work, GTA hacker. Everyone's making money today except for me. Perfect. Looking at RTNB back above $1.50 here. No worries, Richard. What computer am I trading on? Trading on a MacBook Pro. Nothing special really, just a MacBook Pro. We make money because your voice soothes us. Perfect. Yeah, we're all. I need someone to soothe me so I can make some money. Watching RTNB here for another big spike above $1.50 if it wants to really go crazy here. the music soothing? It's supposed to be like really hardcore gaming music, so I don't know why it's soothing you guys. My ping? I don't even have time. It's really good though. Volume is dying. The market's dead. JMEI going lower. Damn. 355 now. Nice. So JMEI. Let's see, it breaks below this 350 area. Where do we go from there? We're going 346. VIPS still going lower over here. Looking here at VIPS, possibly going short here. RTNB trying to do something. Be the first red day on JMEI. Right? Yeah, so the last couple days had a nice couple moves on JMEI. JMEI having some trouble here at the 358, 356 area. See what breaks first. You like this song? We're gonna turn it up. JMEI breaking down there. Look at this move here. Express big sell-off. JMEI probably like getting this move here. Getting a bit of a bounce here. See if we can get it bounce back over to the 360s. I don't even know what the jam is. It's just some mix on YouTube, some gaming mix. CAPR looks like a short. Let's look at it. Maybe not a lot of volume on this one. I wouldn't mess with it. RTNB selling off there. No shares, just short. Explorer selling off. Express bouncing there, 530 area. We're quoting you, Clay. We're quote. Oh. Everybody quote Clay. We'll see if this goes back up to 380 here. Quoted. Do you get ECN rebates? I do not get rebates. Straight Trader screws you on that. I don't know, guys. JMEI pulling back here. See where what it does here. THC running up 17%. Nice work. Want to be rich like me over there. Killing that RTNB trade. THC up 17% right now. Have I traded with Tim Sykes before? I have not traded with Tim Sykes before. RADA. What else is going on? FENG. FENG pulling back here. Doing that green to red move here. JMEI breaking down. I don't know, guys. See if it bounces here off the 352 again. JMEI breaking down there. Gonna see where it does, where it wants to go. We got some support there at the 346. Look for a bounce for possible short entry. Go back in time to the stock market. What stock would you buy, Detsub, or what would you sell? What would you do? First, if you had 1 minute to buy a stock 10 years ago, what would you buy? JMEI here at this 346 area. Looks like it's going to break. I don't have any sunglasses for the eclipse. I'm gonna stare right at it to burn my eyeballs out. Be the first blind trader. Gonna have a braille chart. I can put my hand on the screen and see the bars. Might be the best way to be a chart reader. Just have a braille charts. Be pretty fun actually. Boom. THC, they're up to 1720 now. Feel the bars. Yeah, exactly. Feel the bars, you mean. VIPS going lower. JMEI breaking through everything now. Big buyers there. Sellers. Wow, really trying to get this move lower here on JMI. Just not knowing where to short it. Going lower and lower. Looking for an entry here on the next kind of pop. RTNB back above $1.50. Missing out on the fill once again there. Watch the JMEI. I want this. Getting filled there. 340. Fuck it. Just going to go for it. See if we can move lower here. Down to the 330s. I'll double down if I need to. There we go. Down there to 331, 333. Fuck. And 331. Let's see if it'll break. Give it a second here. Come on, break 330, break 330. Let's do it. 330 break. 332, big seller there. Come on, 330 break. Let's do it. Little shithead. 330 does not want to break. 331, 330 break right here. And covering there. 110 back in the green on the day. Screw it. I'm done. I'm out of there. Fuck it. New strategy, Dean. Let's do it. Literally, the crazy part is I waited till 340 to say just fuck it instead of shorting here on all these points. I should have just fucked it a couple times there, but it is what it is. I ended up covering there for $110 of profit. You can see, I think I'm back in the green. Might need to do the calculations there, but pretty close. Pretty close to in the green, I think. Yeah, that's gotta be in the green, right? 289, 289.60. Oh, I'm like $3 short of being back in the green. Fuck. JEI going lower now. Look at that, 325 now, 326. Look at this selling going on, guys. This is what it's all about right here. What did I do? But red with commissions, yes, you guys, you're correct. Fucking got the everything I say, I got the fact checkers. If I make a video about one thing, I got somebody commenting about how I didn't include this or do this or talk about that. I get it. We get it. Claymate getting quoted there a couple times. 380 coming up. Anytime now, guys. JMEI. We talked about this morning. This was the one I talked about all morning. Screwed up. Look at this. Had this big run up there to 420. Pulled back down here to 320. So I had a full dollar move there. Could have just loaded up short, you know, 3,000 or 4,000 shares there. And boom. Look at that. 325 now. 323 there. JMEI. No bottom. No bottom there. Beautiful short here, though. I think somebody made some money today on this stock. I don't want to talk about FRAN, just screwing me. Ooh. What do we think? Where's the next bounce at on JMEI? Trying to figure that out here. We blew through that, what, 320 area is probably going to bounce. No, I think JMEI, we should get a bounce here at the 320 area. And then get that move to 310. Everyone's making money today on JMEI, the one stock we talked about all morning long. And then I went and shorted FRAN. Bad move there. Bad move in general. JMEI just getting crushed here. I'm going to see get one more stab here at 319. See if we can just pull back to the 310 area. Why not, you know? Play with a tight stop. Tight stop on this one. I might load up some more at the 328 area. I'll like to get, maybe get a bounce here on JMEI back up to the 330 area. I'll call short some more there. Getting the bounce here. Sorted on that potential short level just because it was going lower and lower. Looking for that move. It's going to come down. Maybe. Maybe I'll get squeezed here. Getting 300 more shares there at 331.
Leave the app, not your music. Listen anywhere, anytime. Listen to it all ad-free. All your music, no interruptions. YouTube Red. Start your free trial.
Looking for this break of 319 here on JMEI. My average is 321 right now. Couldn't get filled. I was trying to get way more filled up there. I'm taking profit. 300 shares left there. Gonna let this one ride. Put me back in the green on the day overall. Before commissions. So I'll have to do the commissions later on. But you can see JMEI going lower there. Everybody thought I was crazy. I had a little bit of a plan. I know I look like I'm an idiot sometimes, but had a little bit of plan. I thought we might get that bounce there. Worst come to worst, I thought we might get a sell-off, and then I'd only get filled 1,000 shares, but the plan was to kind of short there at the 320 area and look for that move up to the 330 to short more. There we go. Got 300 shares left. Let's see if we can get a move down to the $3 area. Well, the problem with my, oh, getting the bounce there. See if this is a fake or a real one. No, not a democracy. This is a clear, what do you call it? Dictatorship. JMI. Surge, making him money. Look at that. Up 520 bucks. I wish I was where you are right now, Surge. JMEI holding this 320 area. I got 300 shares left. Cover for small loss if I need to, but it looks like we're gonna get crack here. 320, fighting it here. Hey, that's what it's all about. People making money. How old am I? 28. I turned 29 on the 28th of August, so kind of 28, 29 area. Watching that 9 EMA like Andre said. Andre. Where are we celebrating? I'll be in Hawaii for my birthday, actually. That's where I'm going. I'll be on Oahu. $330 stop. Yeah, I might get some more shares to short up there. I'll be going surfing in Hawaii, no doubt about that. I'll make some videos, put it on the old YouTuber. Show some of my surfing skills. JMEI, just getting some support here. 325, see if we're gonna get squeeze higher or drop. See you later, Mythic Shot, Mythic X Shot. Almost 11 o'clock. Well, it's over 11 o'clock. Wow, time flies when you're having fun, guys. I don't know if I had that. I don't know if I had a lot of fun today, but still, even when I was down, it was fun to do it all live and listen to people talking and looking at stocks. There you go. That's what it's all about. Making that money, baby. California. I'd love to trade in California, actually. I love that idea of waking up 6 a.m., being done, going back to bed, or just doing stuff the rest of the day. JMEI, looking for this move lower here. This 320 breaks. I think we'll get that move back to the 313 area. Ding, 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 ding. 320. Let's do it. Break it. Short sale restriction. Making it a little bit harder to break. If you want to know more information about the chat room, there's a link in the description of this video. Check it out. JMEI, just not doing nothing. Man. JMEI, beautiful, beautiful chart here overall for the day. If you're losing money on JMEI, should you hold it? Why are you losing money on JMEI right now? Or if I'm losing money, well, no, I only have 300 shares. I covered 1,000 shares down here at the 317 area, so just kind of playing it, just messing around right now. I'm looking to see maybe we get a move down to the $3 area. Who knows? I'll cover if it wants to really go higher, but yeah, big sell-off in the market today, coming from once that solar eclipse hits, the whole market's gonna boom sell. Everyone's gonna run outside to look at the solar eclipse. Nice work, Dean. Making some money today. See you tomorrow. Let's do it. The sun is gone. Yeah, short all solar companies. Nice work, Sean. Seller eclipse. Exactly. The buyers are going to be eclipsed by all the sellers. There should be an easy way to put that line there in Thinkorswim. Oh, time to go to sleep. Wake up and do it all over tomorrow. JME hot. JMEI getting a bit of a bounce here. Gonna cover at the 332 area if it wants to go higher from there. I only have 300 shares left, so just kind of playing this one for now. Not a big deal. I'm on the East Coast, Florida, South Florida. Did the same thing as you, Hung. Did the same thing. I chased FRAN, missed out on JMEI. Same story, same story. Makes sense. JMEI squeezing up here. I guess that short sale really helped it out. Short sale restriction. Getting out of there, JMEI. I'm over it. Overall, on the day, getting closer to break even there. After commissions, probably still going to be down red on the day. But overall, better than being down really big. FRAN really screwed me. FARN. Son of a gun. But it's 11:10. I think I'm done for the day. I will talk to you guys later on. I got some things I need to do. And work on some better things. And go sit in the corner and punish myself for this entry here on FRAN. Terrible, terrible idea there. So it is what it is. Back on the green for P&L wise. Commission's still going to be red on the day. But overall, still not bad, not bad. FRAN really was the nail in the coffin today. Screwing me up big there. And then to see it pull back is even more frustrating. So on that note, I will talk to you guys later. Make sure you like this video, comment, all those fun things. Help me out, help you, help me, help you, all those fun things. So on that note, I will talk to you guys later on.